What's up guys, today watching another video. We just got here to Manny's place, or Sick Wraps, and today we're actually dropping off the E92 M3 to get wrapped. Today's the first day. Manny thinks he can get it done in like 3 days, but the first day is all just disassembling the car, getting it ready, prepping the paint because the paint's all messed up, getting it washed because there's like sticky residue from the last wrap. I don't know, just a lot of prep and disassembly, as you guys see. Manny's over here getting down. We have to take literally everything apart. I took the taillights off. The whole front end is literally taken apart. I'll show you guys right now. I took off all like the extra wrap that was here. And we have a lot to do, dude. I'm stressing because it's a lot of stuff to do. I'm actually gonna powder coat my wheels a different color. We're gonna do new headlight lenses right there.
Tiffany blue on the car.
You're lying.
Look, give me a camera.
Let me see.
Look. Look guys, you guys can see that, look.
Oh my god, it is.
There's still Tiffany blue and red.
That's crazy.
That's funny.
Should we keep it?
Give it to somebody.
Dude, so that wrap's been there for at least 4 years, bro. That's a long time ago. But yeah, we're not wasting no time. The only thing that I'm stressing about right now is I haven't even seen the new wrap that we're doing. I chose a color and I haven't even got to see it yet in person or nothing. I've seen it in photos, but I've never seen it in person. So hopefully I like the new color. I like it in pictures, but in person it's gonna be completely different. Manny does not like the new color.
Oh.
He hates it. Look at the front end. It looks like I got in a whole car accident.
Salvage.
I know, it looks salvage, bro. Look at it. And we found out that the front, like, bash bar, is that what it's called? It's carbon fiber. I did not know that. I just don't know what wheel color to do. That's our next thing that we need to figure out. Check out Manny's car. Damn. He changed everything.
Nobody knows it's this color.
I know, no one knows yet. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but we'll see. Wow, dude. Fast guy. That shit's so hard, bro. I might have to have this dude redo my hood exit on the E46. It looks so clean, dude. So yeah, Manny got a new wrap. He got a hood exit exhaust now, so it's so freaking loud. For a street car, he's crazy. But he got a whole satin black wrap. He also did the new wheel color. They're like bronze, and then red brake calipers. I think the last time I saw it, it was like grayish white color. The interior is looking clean. Damn. Gut in because he wants to be fast and try to beat my GTR. It looks sick though. I like the satin like wrap on the gloss trunk. It looks sick. All right guys, so I'm just gonna pick up the camera here and there and update you guys, but it's probably gonna be a lot of like time lapses and stuff. I'll probably start trying to take this stuff off. All the leftover wrap that we missed. I can't believe we actually took the red off. That's crazy. All right, Manny, what is next?
So
What's the next step?
Right now everything's completely taken apart, ready to go. So first we're gonna wipe everything down before we clay it. Just wipe everything down. Make sure you get all like the excess dirt and stuff off. Then after you wipe everything down, spray everything down again, clay bar the whole car. After you clay bar it, we're gonna alcohol wipe the whole car under every single trim, every single crevice. So when we start wrapping, we just wrap. You know, we don't have to worry about cleaning. We don't have to worry about none of that stuff.
Yeah, I remember when Manny did this step on the E46, and just that alone made the paint look better. And the vinyl wrap should be here soon. I'm waiting for my homie to bring it. I can't believe I haven't even seen the color in person, and we're gonna wrap the car. Like, usually you look at colors or samples in person, like all these colors he has, look. But not me. I looked at a photo and I was like, you know what? Let's try it. Sick wraps. Every time I say sick.
I know. Why do you think? Look, a lot of people ask me that too. A lot of people ask me why I named it Sick Wraps. It's because it's so like common. Like, what is the first thing people say when they see a badass car or something they like? Like, that's sick.
That's all I say in my
right?
vlogs.
So it's like perfect. It's like.
So now he's just gonna clay bar the entire freaking car.
With a brand new clay bar.
Damn, look who it is. The homie's bringing my wrap. Dude, this is gonna be the first time I see the wrap. I'm kind of scared. What if we don't like it? Time to take it back. Driving all slammed. Damn. Bro, your fender. This shit is so sick, bro. BBS wheels. What's up, Dan? Oh my god, I haven't seen the wrap. Did it fit in there? Oh my god, bro. That's a bright color. Do you like the color, Manny? Why, dude? Hopefully it looks good, dude.
I don't like it.
No? It's so glossy, bro. Hello, Tim.
I'm gonna head out.
Already?
We gotta go, bro.
Dude, this shit looks so sick. I love it. Look at his wheels, bro. Ah, it's like my dream wheels, dude. I almost bought a pair, but a set. Didn't do it though. That shit's perfect too. Dude, don't change it. I like the color. And those headlights. And of course the wheels, bro. Those shits are like my favorite wheels ever. Those are my dream wheels. That might be one of the sickest E92 M3s, I'm not gonna lie. God damn, this shit's loud. I'm trying to put it in the sun so we can see it. Oh my God, dude. I'm sorry, it might be black and white for you guys, but this color is insane. I hope it looks good on the car. I'm actually very, very nervous. Look how shiny it is and like metallic.
It looks dope. It's gonna look sick.
I mean, it's definitely gonna stand out, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
And I think everyone's gonna look at it.
Maybe once we wrap it, I'll like it.
It's gonna break everybody's necks. It looks like paint. Like legit, it does not look like wrap. Just look at the difference, guys. Look at how this one, look at the orange peel on it. You can see all like, it looks like wrap. It'd be crazy, dude. Look, even with the light on it. Nothing on there. Here we go. Manny's gonna try to do the first panel, the fender. I think we're gonna start on. So the reason why Manny's stressing is why? Because you never worked with this material.
I've never worked with this material. It's not like I've heard reviews. It just okay. So this brand just came out maybe like almost a year ago. Super hard to work with. It's cool. People like it because of the gloss finish and stuff, but it's just like really, really hard to work with because it's so thick and it's so sticky.
Bro, people are probably so mad.
What?
This video's in black and white.
Oh yeah, I know.
Lay it?
Yeah, lay it.
Bro, I don't know if you're gonna like it, but we'll see. You ready? What? You don't like it? He's like, nah.
That shit looks sick. That shit looks sick. Yeah, it's actually looking good on the car, bro. It has like a more of like a, what is it called? Like that pearl?
It's called pearl.
Bro, it's gonna look sick.
I hope.
God damn, this is clean.
I look like it a lot.
It looks sick, dude.
After like fucking 30 minutes, we got one side done. For 3 people.
Bro, it looks good though.
They don't joke around when they say you need like 6 installers.
Bro, literally, this is day 1. Look how much we've gotten done. Look at that, guys.
I just gotta cut out the little bits.
All in a couple hours, bro. It's crazy. I can't wait to show you guys the color. I apologize.
Maybe Nick will actually make
being
vlogs
so
with
boring.
this car now.
I know I am, bro. I told you, I'm bringing this car back to life. It's gonna look mint again. We're gonna bring it to car meets again. Everything. The hood looks really good though, dude. Damn, man. Is that a paint job? Look at this. Guys, look at the edges. This is like the first thing everyone goes to look at when they look at like a wrapped car. And it looks perfect, bro. We put Sam's E30 wheels. It doesn't even fit in the front. It doesn't clear the rotor. And then we put his drift wheels on the rear. It looks super ugly, but we had to do it just because I'm going to take these wheels to get powder coated. Hopefully that he can finish them within the week so that as soon as the wrap is done, the wheels are done and we can just throw them on. Manny's going to take me for a ride in his 335. I have not been in it since he's done the hood exit, and I want to see, bro. It shoots fire like my freaking E46. Your neighbors freaking hate you, dude.
See how it gets quiet?
I'm sorry, neighbors.
Well, there's one neighbor that comes up. He has like a Harley and shit. And bro, he's like revving it loud every time, bro. Like, dude, it's 2 a.m. and he's just like, bro, like I'm trying to be decently. You see, I try to keep it into fucking second gear.
The startup though was not quiet, bro. It sounds like my E46, bro. It literally sounds so similar. That's crazy. Bro, you're crazy. How are you not scared, bro?
I am. That's why I only bring it out at
I'd be
night.
scared as hood exit on the street, dude. One day my GTR will be on E85. You're tripping. Oh my god, bro.
Now we don't come back this way anymore. Now we just did.
I hope I filmed it. I was looking in real life, like, that's a big ass flame. It's so loud, bro. You're fucking crazy.
Bro, it gets my heart every dude like this.
I know, bro. It's so
This is
scary.
This is my car, and I built this whole car myself. And like, look, my hands are literally shaking because it
Bro.
gives me that much. And this is not even food, bro. This is fucking wastegate. This is 18 pounds.
Dude,
Look at my hands, bro.
I would
look.
never drive this on the street by myself,
Look.
bro.
But it's so fun, dude. Like, there's no better feeling.
Dude, my camera's on. Guys, my camera keeps dying. It's probably gonna die right now, but look how good it looks in the light.
Don't not judge
What?
me on the blue.
Oh, the blue?
I'm getting my carbon.
He's waiting for
splitter
his
on my
like
face.
splitters and lip, whatever he's gonna do in the front. So that's why there's a little bit of blue, but it looks badass, dude. I love the red seats. That shit's hard.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.